Part 2. The Guardian Force teaches Liam how to use his intelligence and agility to help defend their world. The scene shows Liam running beside the Wolf Warrior through an obstacle course, while the Eagle Scout flies above, guiding him. The Lion Leader watches, nodding approvingly. Dark forces invade the realm, and Liam stands beside the Guardian Force, ready for action. The humanoid animal warriors are in battle stances, their glowing weapons ready. Liam holds a small device, the key to closing the portal. Together they face the dark invaders in a misty battlefield. After the battle, Liam uses the device to close the portal. The Guardian Force stands behind him, proud and grateful. The portal begins to glow, ready to transport Liam back to his world. He waves goodbye to his new friends, with a promise to return